This is the second video in the video series, and it will walk you through how to match the participants. Matching refers to finding a good match between the participants, rather than assigning a mentee to a random mentor. By matching, you are more likely to pair together people who can help each other, and the participants can get more out of the program. Participants' choice is one way to match the mentors and mentees, where the mentee can choose from a list of mentors. A drawback with this method is that the mentee may not choose the best fitting mentor, and there can be a skewed distribution of mentees per mentor. Unidirectional matching is matching based on the mentee's preferences, and bidirectional matching is matching based on both the mentors and mentees' preferences. If many participants are involved, a matching algorithm can be used to make the process more efficient. You can have an application form to get information about the participants, such as their motivation, field of study, and interests, to use in the matching process. It's important to find a balance between asking about too much and too little in the application form. When having a big application process, it's more likely that the people that apply are committed to the program, and you have more information to base the matching on. However, you may lose mentors and mentees by asking too many questions. It's also important to remember that it's impossible to get a perfect match. So you need to think about how much you should get caught up in the details during the matching. So which qualities should you consider during the matching process? It can be valuable to match the participants based on their field of study. It's motivating for the mentee to have a mentor that has been in the same situation as they are in. However, an advantage of matching the mentees with a mentor from another field is that they can still talk about more generic things, and it can potentially give more perspectives. The participants' experience should also be considered when matching. A student in the final years of their degree may need more practical guidance and therefore needs a mentor with more experience, while a student in the first years of the program may appreciate help from another student more than someone from the industry. You should also take the participant's location into consideration when matching. An advantage of matching the participants based on their location is that they can meet in person. However, it can be positive to have a mentor from another workplace, university, or even country, because they can give the mentee a completely new perspective. Lastly, you should consider the mentor's gender. It's important to identify with the mentor in order to build trust, and having a mentor with the same gender can lead to more empathy and understanding. However, it is proactive to include male mentors, and their engagement and interest for gender-inclusive work is more important than their gender. Now you know some pros and cons with 4 different characteristics which you can consider in the matching process. The next module will talk about the duration of the mentoring program and the frequency of meetings.